Hey everybody, this is Intro, and this is part 2 of cleaning your Xbox, and here I'm going to show you how to put back everything back together properly. So first thing you want to do is grab your fan. Make sure these stickers right here are facing outwards. You want them to be facing outwards, obviously, so the fan can blow all of the air out of the vent from the back. So before you put this in, actually, you're going to want to take the power cord. Make sure you find this latch right here. Match it up with the latch on the motherboard power for the fan. It should clip in. Put the fan back into the divot. Push it back. Make sure these clip in, and that's it. Your fan's in. So again, push down the power cable to make sure it's in all the way. Next thing you're going to do is grab your fan protector and make sure that you line it up perfectly. As you can see, there's screws right here and right there that need to match up on the motherboard right here and right there. So I always use the right side to sort of guide where I put the protective cover on, and it should just slide straight on there. Again, you want to make sure this is even right here, and you can see the screw holes, because if not, you're not going to be able to put your put the long screw that goes here back in, and that will cause this to rattle due to the fan. So you're going to make sure that's in properly, and make sure that this is all as close as it can be, and make sure that it doesn't shake much. Okay, so that's about it when you put this in. So the next thing you want to do is take your disk tray or your disk drive, slide it in. These divots actually go inside the cooler. Slides in pretty nicely, and then you want to connect your electrical connections. And actually, I forgot to plug them back in, so take your white cord right here, and it doesn't matter again which side, it just matters that you get the holes and everything in properly. And actually, I think I forgot to hook up the cables back up to the motherboard. So I'm going to do that really fast. With the white cord, it goes into this white plug-in right here. So it doesn't matter which side of the cable that you use. Just make sure it's in properly, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Just get that in there. Sort of hard to do with one hand. Alright, make sure that's in there all the way. And then the next thing is your SATA cable, which is the black cable that you will need. And on the SATA cable, as you can see, there's a little divot, like an L divot. You're just going to want to match that up with the one inside of the Xbox. Right here, you can see the little L divot right there, so just match that up and plug it in. So, alright, so if you just give me 1 second to plug in this. There you go. Plugged in properly. We have both of the cords in. Take the disk tray. Do not put it in the mount yet. You want to get these cables connections in before you do that. And as you can see on the back of the disk tray, there's a white and the black plug-in. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So go ahead and plug those in, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now you can see that our connections are right. White with white and black with black. So the connections are right. You're going to want to turn the disk tray so that the sticker is facing towards you. And again, make sure that you get this divot right here and everything in properly. And again, this should not shake much either. So, now that you have everything in here, the only thing left to do is put the top half on, and the top half is actually this part, coated part that will go around the Xbox. You can see it right here. You're just going to slide that over the top, as you can see on the front here, that it goes this way, you can see, and you're going to want to line this little edging, so you get it, you're going to want to line this edging up all the way around the Xbox, so make sure you don't want to damage that. Slide that over.